Hi, my name is Sam and I'm 6 years old and I'm going to show you the Trinomial Cube. Now I grab the wool. Now I take the blocks one by one. Now I use this to match the colors. Now I move the first layer to the box. Now for the second layer. For the second layer to be in the box. Time for the last layer. The 4 layers done, now it goes in the box. Now it's time to close the box. Thanks for watching, see you next time.